Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to edit a listing on Vinted in 2026. Now if you want to change the price, fix the description, update the photos or adjust the shipping options, Vinted is going to let you do it very easily as long as the item isn't sold yet. So in order to do it, first of all, come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the profile option, then click on the option of profile. Now, on your profile page in the listings tab, you are going to see all of the listings that you have made. So you just have to select the item which you want to add it. So here, as you can see, currently I have this particular sample listing available, but it is in the progress. That's why the editing option is not showing. But right next to the bump option, you are going to see the edit option. So when you see that option, you just have to simply click on it. After doing this, you will have to basically start editing the listing. You can change the price, you can edit the title, the description, you can change the photographs and the shipping options. Just tap into the section you want to update and make your changes. Once you are done, you just have to simply click on the option of save, and then you will be redirected on your profile again, where you are going to see the updated information, or if it shows you that it is currently in the progress. So you just have to wait for some time, like 15 to 30 minutes, until all of your changes get updated on your profile. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.